Welcome to Choice Champions. The best outdoor entertaining is probably one of the most sought-after aspects of modern living, transforming backyards into vibrant hubs for connection and enjoyment. And with the right essentials, you can elevate your gatherings from simple get-togethers to unforgettable experiences, ensuring every moment spent outdoors is filled with comfort, style, and seamless functionality, making your space the ultimate destination for relaxation and celebration. Number 5. Fire Color Packets, 25-pack. Tired of ordinary fires? Instantly elevate your fire pit experience with our magical packets. Watch as they create vibrant, dancing flames that will mesmerize everyone. Using them is incredibly simple. Just toss 1 to 3 unopened packets directly into your wood-burning fire. You'll see the colors come alive in seconds, with no prep or cleanup required. Enjoy up to an hour of brilliant, colorful flames with each packet. If you want to extend the show, simply add another one to keep the magic going. These are perfect for any indoor or outdoor wood fire. Use them for campfires, backyard fire pits, bonfires, or even in your fireplace for added excitement. Both kids and adults will be captivated by the mesmerizing color effects. Make your next gathering or camping trip truly unforgettable with these amazing fire packets. What we like? Want to add a magical touch to your outdoor gatherings? These packets create stunning, vibrant flames that will mesmerize your guests. If you're looking to elevate your campfire or fire pit experience with minimal effort and maximum visual impact, these are the perfect choice for your next party or camping trip. What people say. The grill has a large cooking surface, perfect for hosting parties. It heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature. The side burner is great for keeping sauces warm. Number 4. Scuddles Waterproof Picnic Blanket 60x60. Make a statement at your next picnic with our sophisticated outdoor blanket. Its attractive tartan and striped design is fashion-forward and sure to impress. Don't let moisture ruin your outing. This blanket features a waterproof backing to keep you dry and comfortable, no matter the surface. Easily transport this picnic mat wherever you go. Its convenient strap allows for comfortable carrying, making it perfect for any adventure. Enjoy casual seating in any setting with this versatile mat. It's ideal for the beach, park, outdoor concerts, and so much more. With generous dimensions, there's plenty of room for everyone. Gather your family and friends for comfortable seating during any outdoor activity. Keeping it clean is a breeze. The durable construction and waterproof backing allow for simple maintenance, so you can focus on enjoying your time. What we like? Keep your outdoor seating dry and comfortable, no matter the surface. This blanket offers ample space for everyone and is incredibly easy to carry. If you're a frequent visitor to the beach, park, or outdoor concerts and need a reliable, comfortable, and stylish place to sit, this is the ideal companion for your adventures. What people say. The grill has a large cooking surface, perfect for hosting parties. It heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature. The side burner is great for preparing sauces or side dishes. Number 3. Keter Outdoor Rolling Table Cart. Transform your patio, deck, or backyard into a stylish entertaining space. This versatile cart provides ample storage for all your drinks, snacks, and bar essentials. With generous dimensions, this outdoor rolling cart offers plenty of space. It's perfect for storing all kinds of food, beverages, and accessories for any occasion. Easily move it from the poolside to the patio. Its built-in wheels and convenient handle make transportation a breeze. Constructed from tough, all-weather polypropylene with a stainless steel top. It's designed for long-lasting use and easy maintenance in any outdoor setting. Keter provides high-quality, durable, and stylish solutions. Make every outdoor gathering better with this essential piece. What we like? Transform your outdoor space into a functional and stylish entertaining hub. This cart provides generous storage and easy mobility for all your hosting needs. If you enjoy outdoor cooking, grilling, or need a convenient bar setup on your patio or deck, its portability and durability make it an excellent choice for effortless entertaining. What people say. The grill has a large cooking surface, perfect for hosting. Easy to assemble and great for outdoor parties. Durable construction that has lasted through several seasons. Number 2. Tiki Toss Ring Toss Game. Introducing the Tiki Toss Ring Toss game, the perfect blend of classic fun and modern design. Get ready to challenge your friends and family to an exciting game of skill and precision. This game is designed to bring out everyone's competitive side, making it ideal for parties and gatherings. It's guaranteed to be a hit with friends and guests alike. Bring the excitement anywhere you go. Whether you're at a barbecue, pool party, or just relaxing outdoors, this game is the perfect addition to any occasion. Crafted with durable construction and high-quality materials, it ensures a stable and long-lasting experience. Its stylish design also adds a touch of island flair to your space. The objective is simple: swing the ring and aim for the hook. With its addictive gameplay and endless replayability, it's a must-have for any gathering. Looking for a unique gift? This ring and hook game is a fantastic present for any guy, perfect for his man cave, dorm room, or apartment bar. It's also great for drinking games. What we like? Looking for a fun way to engage your guests and spark some friendly competition? This game is easy to learn but hard to put down, perfect for all ages. If you're hosting a party, barbecue, or just want a fun activity for your man cave or backyard, this classic hook and ring toss game is a guaranteed crowd pleaser. What people say. The grill has a large cooking surface, perfect for hosting parties. It heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature. The side burner is great for keeping sauces warm. Number 1. Chic Leaf Palm Leaf Plates. Introducing Chic Leaf Palm Leaf Plates, the perfect blend of sophistication and sustainability for your next gathering. These plates offer a natural, elegant look for any occasion. Designed to be extra sturdy, they can handle everything from heavy steaks to delicate desserts without bending or leaking. Enjoy a fine dining experience without the worry. Each plate is uniquely crafted from naturally fallen palm leaves, offering a beautiful wood-like texture. They add a touch of natural artistry to your table setting. Experience a clean and fresh dining atmosphere. Our plates are cleaned and sanitized for your comfort, ensuring no unwanted odors interfere with your meal. From appetizers to main courses, these versatile plates are built to impress. They are suitable for any event, providing strength and style. Enjoy the ease of disposable tableware without compromising on elegance. Spend less time on dishes and more time with your guests. What we like? Elevate your dining experience with eco-friendly elegance. These plates offer the look of fine dining with the convenience of disposables, and they're kind to the planet. If you're hosting a party, brunch, or dinner and want to impress your guests with stylish, sturdy, and sustainable tableware, these palm leaf plates are the perfect, hassle-free solution. What people say. This is a great set for outdoor entertaining. It is very sturdy and well-made. The pieces are a good size and fit together nicely. I love this set. It looks beautiful on my patio and is perfect for hosting parties. The quality is excellent and it has held up well to the elements. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.